Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable touch sound in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to enable your tap sound setting in your Samsung mobile. So how to enable tap sound setting in our Samsung phone in this video guys I will show you. Friend, what is tap sound means? What is touch sound in Samsung phone? First of all let me tell you. So as you can see guys when we tap on any button and guys any icon. So as you can see this sound but guys this sound is not working now time. So once you want to enable this tap sound means your touch sound in your Samsung phone. So how to enable in this video I will show you. First of all open your phone setting and scroll it. Sound and vibration setting is tap here. Again scroll. System sound and vibration control setting. Click. Touch setting as you can see first one setting as touch sound setting and tap here this right side then get this sound will enable you can see. So if you tap on any button any setting so friends you can use this tap sound setting and friends you can see your tap sound will enable. So like that guys, you want to enable your tap sound in your Samsung phone, you can enable. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye friends.